Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate text in Google Sheets. Rotating text in Google Sheets enhances readability, saves space and adds a professional touch to your spreadsheets. So let's start the video. First, open up your Google Sheets. Next, select the cells where you want to rotate the text. You can click and drag to select multiple cells, or hold down the Control key in Windows or Command key on Mac to select specific cells individually. With your cells selected, click on the Format tab in the main menu. Now move your cursor over rotation. A sub-menu will appear with all the text rotation options. You can rotate your text up, down, stack vertically, and tilt up or tilt down. Click on any of these options to instantly rotate your text. As you can see, the text in the selected cells are now rotated. You can also use the custom angle option and select the degree of rotation you want. So that's how to rotate text in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.